Did you know that slow running can help grow your brain? A study by Professor Soya Hideaki at Tsukuba University revealed that moderate running boosts brain growth by up to 20%. Yes, you heard that right. Just by running slowly, you can literally grow your brain. Let's dive into the results. In a study conducted by Professor Soya Hideaki, participants who engaged in slow running for 30 minutes 3 times a week experienced remarkable brain changes. After just 6 months, their hippocampal volume, the area of the brain responsible for memory and learning, increased by 20%. This growth in the hippocampus wasn't just a nice bonus. The participants also reported improved memory, better focus, and increased cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to switch between tasks and adapt to new challenges. These are exactly the mental skills we need to thrive in a fast-paced world. Based on the study result, participants after 30 minutes slow running improved 30% in memory test. The other study showed reaction time improved by 50%. And the MRI brain scanning images showed drastic improve in neural activity in prefrontal cortex. This also suggests improvement on cognitive flexibility. The amazing results are backed by science data. Slow runners in this study not only saw increases in brain size, but also improved mental clarity and felt less cognitive fatigue. Here are the findings of Professor Soya Hideaki. It's all about a few key biological processes: increased blood flow, the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and the creation of new neural connections. When you run slowly, your body sends a steady stream of oxygen-rich blood to your brain. This oxygen helps clear out harmful waste products like beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. This constant supply of oxygen also nourishes the brain and keeps it in a state of repair and growth. Slow running also triggers the production of BDNF, a protein that's essential for brain health. BDNF helps grow new neurons, particularly in the hippocampus, and strengthens the connections between existing neurons. Think of it as brain fertilizer. The more BDNF you produce, the more your brain can grow. Neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to rewire itself. The more connections it forms, the stronger and more flexible your brain becomes. Slow running has been shown to increase neuroplasticity, making your brain better at adapting to new information, solving problems, and staying sharp as you age. Now, let's take a look at the hard science behind slow running. We already mentioned Professor Soya Hideaki's groundbreaking study, but there's even more research supporting the benefits of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise on brain health. A 2018 study from Harvard Medical School found that participants who engaged in moderate-intensity exercise, like slow running, had better cognitive performance than those doing high-intensity workouts. The study also showed that the slow runners experienced less mental fatigue and were able to sustain attention for longer periods of time. Research from Stanford University demonstrated that slow running leads to a 30% reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms. By lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, slow running allows your brain to remain calm and focused, which is crucial for maintaining mental health. In a study published in the journal Neuroscience, researchers discovered that slow running significantly enhances activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation. While fast running leads to spikes of activity followed by sharp drops, slow running keeps the brain in a steady state of engagement, allowing for sustained mental performance. All of these studies point to one conclusion. Slow running is a powerful tool for growing your brain. It's sustainable, easy on the body, and scientifically proven to boost brain health in both the short and long term. So there you have it. Slow running isn't just a great way to stay physically fit. It's also one of the best ways to boost your brain power. By increasing BDNF, improving blood flow, and enhancing neuroplasticity, slow running offers a simple, effective way to grow your brain fast. Have you tried slow running? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you're interested in more science-backed tips for boosting your brain, be sure to check out our next video on mindfulness for cognitive enhancement. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.